DeepClaude, same Claude Code, 17 times cheaper. Anthropic charges $15 per million output tokens. DeepSeek V4 Pro charges $0.87. Same power, 17 times cheaper. For heavy daily use, that is $200 a month versus roughly $20. DeepClaude is a thin wrapper around the Claude Code CLI. Same interface, same commands, same file editing, bash execution, Git operations. Everything that makes Claude Code powerful stays exactly the same. The only thing that changes is the model receiving your request. How does it work? DeepClaude sets two environment variables before launching Claude Code. Anthropic base URL points to the DeepSeek API endpoint. Anthropic auth token passes your API key. Claude Code reads these and routes every file editing works. Bash execution works. Git operations work. Subagent spawning works for parallel tasks. Every tool call that makes Claude Code powerful remains exactly the same. You get the same workflow. You just pay a different bill at the end. You are not locked into DeepSeek. DeepClaude also routes to OpenRouter at $0.44 per million input tokens, or Fireworks AI for the fastest inference from US servers. Switch between all of them with a single command line flag. Same interface, any provider. The catch, some problems still need Claude Opus. Hard architectural decisions, complex multi-step reasoning. Keep Anthropic as your fallback for the hard problems. Use Claude when you need it. Use DeepSeek for everything else and save the difference. Who is this for? Developers who use AI coding agents every day. Startups watching their monthly API bills. Freelancers who need a world-class coding agent without the $200 subscription. Researchers running autonomous agent loops for hours at a time. Coding agents are becoming a utility like electricity or internet bandwidth. The cost of running them is dropping fast. DeepClaude is a glimpse of a larger trend. The best tools will not always be the most expensive. They will be the most efficient. Download DeepClaude from GitHub. Set your DeepSeek API key. Run one command. 5 minutes from now, you will have a coding agent that costs 17 times less than what you are paying today. The link is github.com/audarn/DeepClaude. Open source. No vendor lock-in. You are not locked into any provider. If a better model comes along, you switch the environment variable and your entire workflow stays exactly the same. The interface does not change. Only the build changes. The math is simple. If you spend more than $20 a month on Claude Code, DeepClaude pays for itself in the first week. Heavy users report saving hundreds of dollars every single month with no measurable loss in capability on most tasks they run day to day. The developers tested DeepClaude on real production projects, multi-file refactors, test suite creation, bug hunts across LARGE Chinese letter codebases, architectural decisions. On straightforward tasks, the quality difference from Claude is nearly invisible. On the hardest problem, this is not just about saving money. It is about making powerful AI coding tools accessible to everyone. Freelancers, students, indie developers, small teams who could not justify $200 a month. DeepClaude opens the door.